Welcome home bakers to another episode of my YouTube channel, Basic Homebaking by Myrna. I hope by now you have liked and subscribed, so I'll be more inspired to give you a new yummy recipe every time. Today, I'm going to teach you one very delicious recipe, the custard mamon, with two variations, the original one and the ube custard mamon. This is quite different from my Castella custard cake and the special cottony soft mamon. See my episodes. In that today, I'm going to use the basic sponge cake recipe for this custard mamon. The difference between the sponge cake and the chiffon cake is that sponge cake uses butter while chiffon cake uses oil. Okay, let's start. The ingredients are, for the cake, 8 eggs separated. For the egg yolk mixture, 1 3/4 cup of cake flour, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/2 cup of milk, you can also use water, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 1/3 cup of melted butter. We're also going to use the ube extract and the ube food color and the lemon extract. For the egg white mixture, we have 3/4 cup of sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of cream of tartar. For the leche flan, we have 6 whole eggs, 1 condensed milk, and 1 evaporated milk. Of course, we're going to use our mamon molds. We have 16 pieces of mamon molds. Okay, we're going to start mixing. For the caramelized sugar, I'm going to use 1 1/2 tablespoon per mold. So that's approximately 1 1/2 cup of sugar. Almost 1 1/2 cups. You can swirl this, but don't touch it. Be careful not to burn the caramel, or it will have bitter taste. There, this is done. Now here is our caramelized sugar. Next, we're going to do the leche flan. Okay, so this is it. Okay, we're going to crack the eggs. 6 whole eggs. Whole eggs because we want the leche flan firm. We're going to use 6 whole eggs. Just going to whisk this. condensed milk. We're going to put a little egg yellow because we're not using egg yolks. A little only. Okay, we're going to strain this so your leche flan is fine and smooth. At least 3 times. We're going to put around 1/4 cup of mixed leche flan mixture. Going to set this aside while we do the sponge cake. Now we're going to separate the eggs. Beat the egg yolk, then add the sugar. Beat until light and creamy. Add the butter. Sift the flour, the baking powder, and the salt. Add the milk. Going to divide this mixture into 2 since we're going to do 2 variations of custard mamon. Okay, we divide the egg yolk mixture into 2 and then we're going to add ube extract, just drops, and then ube food color. More ube extract. Then we're going to do the egg white mixture. Add the cream of tartar. bubbles are fine. Add the sugar. See, soft peaks. We're going to divide this into two. Fold the egg white mixture to the egg yolk mixture. Fold the ube mixture to the egg white meringue. Going to put this over the leche flan. Then we're going to bake this plain Marie top first. Then put in the oven, bake at 300 for around 40 minutes. Out of the oven, bake at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. Look, the ube and the original flavor. We're going to let this cool first before we remove from the mold. Now we're going to unmold. This has cooled and we're going to unmold. Look at the mamon, the ube custard mamon. and the original flavor custard mamon. There you have it, my custard mamon. The original flavor mamon and the ubi custard mamon. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you on my next episode. Enjoy!